if you've got one of these printers, or actually any 3D printer, let me show you something. Earlier today, this said max temp. It was going beep super loud, and that means basically thermal runaway. This said like 275 or something. Basically, it means that it didn't know that it was heating up way more than it was supposed to, and so it stopped and alerted me. And I could just try it again, right? Just try to print again and see what happens. And actually, if I notice on the screen, like it's heating up fine. I did, I went to preheat and selected PLA, and it's doing it fine. Everything looks good. The thing is, I've seen this before a lot on Prusa printers, and actually on my new Bamboo Lab printers as well. Let me show you something. Okay, so watch the temperature reading right here. I'm gonna move this wire back here, which is all the cables going to the hot end, and let's see what it does. Ooh, 196, huh? So what causes that fluctuation is in that wire, that's the thermistor that measures the temperature of the hot end. And somewhere along this line, it's got a short, it's broken, I don't know, something's wrong with it, and it needs to be replaced. I do actually keep a bunch of replacements on hand because this happens a lot because they're just really fragile. These ones are actually a lot stronger than the type that Bamboo Labs or Crealities, for instance, use. Sometimes they use like a glass bead thermistor, which just has this like teensy little wire with this little glass bead around it, and it's super delicate. So I'm gonna replace this, but I'm also gonna get on with Prusa support, who I'll explain the issue to. They'll help me try a couple things. Obviously that's not it, and then they're gonna send me a new one because they're awesome.